Welcome to my channel. How to protect your car's engine from overheating. 1. Check coolant levels regularly. Ensure the coolant reservoir is filled to the recommended level. Low coolant can cause the engine to overheat. 2. Inspect radiator for damage. Check the radiator for leaks or damage. A damaged radiator can't properly cool the engine. 3. Ensure proper coolant mixture. Use the correct 50/50 mixture of coolant and water as specified in your car's manual for optimal cooling. 4. Examine radiator hoses. Look for cracks, leaks, or loose connections in the hoses. Damaged hoses can lead to coolant loss and overheating. 5. Monitor the thermostat. A faulty thermostat can block coolant flow. Replace it if your engine frequently overheats. Six. Keep the cooling fan functional. Check if the cooling fan is working. It helps pull air through the radiator to cool the engine, especially when idling. 7. Flush the cooling system periodically. Over time, debris and rust can build up in the cooling system. Flushing it every 1 to 2 years keeps it efficient. 8. Avoid overloading your car. Carrying excessive weight puts additional strain on the engine and cooling system, increasing the risk of overheating. 9. Monitor the temperature gauge. Keep an eye on the dashboard temperature gauge. If it gets too high, pull over and let the engine cool down. 10. Park in the shade or use sunshades. In hot weather, parking in the shade or using sunshades reduces heat buildup in the engine bay. Thank you for watching.